Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to download the Google Gemini app here. So, all right, so here's a disclaimer, training purposes only. There is no Gemini actual desktop app, but with Edge here, you can make it into an app that they're working on and also making it a thing where you can put it on your taskbar or in your desktop and use it at any point, okay, without going to Edge again, ever again in your life. Okay, so first and foremost, you're going to go to googlegemini.com, okay, and you're going to hit the three dots. And by the way, you can do this with any website. If you want to see my other video, you can see it. And you can do the same for any other app or for any other website to make into an app. So once you go to more tools, you'll go to apps and then you'll go to install this site as an app. Okay. And then you could put it Google, you can put it Gemini, you can do whatever. You could delete that and then go to install. And now it just made Google Gemini an app. So it's actual app now. So I can close all of this, right? And boom, look at this. It is a app that's on your taskbar and you can right click it. Sorry. You can right click it and add it to the taskbar. And now look, you have it as an application. So I can X out of it here and go click on it again. Google Gemini is right here. You know what I'm saying? Cool stuff, right? Yep, cool stuff, cool stuff. And let me see if it has a companion mode. It doesn't have a companion mode like ChatGPT does. Definitely check out that video if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yep, so this is how you download Google Gemini. And you could probably put it on the side here. Yep, you can put it on the side here and still do your thing. All right, y'all, let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.